Hi everyone, I Nupur Beri. I'm going to give you the beautiful hostel life tour, and I am living here since 3 years. So I hope I'm able to portray my life virtually the best to you. So come, let's go.
Hostels at Amity Jaipur are fully in campus. Hostel gates open at 6 am and students must return by 10 pm. If someone on a day pass reports at the main gate after 8:30 pm, a 200 fine rupee penalty is charged. The hostel is filled with amenities, starting off with the vending machine and water coolers at every floor. Then there's a separate reading room for the newspapers and a small Nescafe for munching late at night. So this is how the living area of the hostel looks like, with the staircase and a lift. Then there is a sports room with cleanliness and hygiene everywhere in the hostels. For laundry, boys and girls have separate days, and clothes are usually returned within 2 days. For example, if you give your clothes on Monday, you usually get your clothes back by Thursday. The hostel follows a flat system. Each flat has 3 rooms accommodating 6 students with an attached washroom. So here comes my personal room, filled with lots of love and lots of memories. It consists of two almirahs, each for the 2 students living in the rooms, and two beds. You can also avail single occupancy rooms. The Wi-Fi speed is good enough to have your Netflix and chill. So here comes our dance room, perfect for the people who love dancing, and also a sports room for the sport lovers. We have female and male wardens for the girls and the boys hostels, who are cooperative yet very strict, but it is a perfect blend for how the warden should. Now, who does not need a salon? So, we have a salon here at the hostel itself. Guard bhaiyas are always present at the hostel gates, and boys are restricted in the girls' area. Here comes our MI room, well equipped with all the medicines and the proper infrastructure needed for a student. E-rickshaw facilities are also available, with charge rupees 10 fee for each side. And for hostelers, there is also a departmental store. Mess food is charged according to 60 or 70 rupees per plate, whereas some students like to enjoy Sankalp or Sizzling Bites food. A separate bus facility is available to all the hostelers on Saturdays for the perfect day out.
So that's how our hostel life looked like here in the Amity campus. I hope you all loved it, and I'm really sure that you all will also enjoy it living here.